This is the customer view in Forz. From here, you can see all the information related to a specific customer in one place. At the top, you'll see the customer name and primary details. These tabs let you switch between different types of information, such as estimates, jobs, sales orders, invoices, tasks, and files. The Overview tab gives you a quick summary of the customer, including the primary contact, primary service location, notes, and recent activity. The activity feed keeps a history of everything that happens for this customer, such as updates, comments, and completed actions. The new button lets you quickly add things like contacts, sites, jobs, estimates, or invoices for this customer, all from one place. You can also get a quick snapshot of this customer's performance. Click View Stats to see key information like revenue, balances, and recent activity at a glance. This summary helps you understand how the customer is doing, so you can make decisions faster without digging through reports. This view helps you keep all customer-related work organized and easy to access. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.